What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and installing the Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip on the Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox controller. Now, we recently unboxed the Cyberpunk controller and stand kit, which is a well-designed package. Now, by combining this futuristic controller with the Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip, we can use our smartphone for a mobile gaming setup that works very well. As always, I only feature products or services I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. You can also support the podcast by making a small monthly donation. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Contents include the Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip and product information. The Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip features protective padding in key areas to protect the finish of both your controller and your smartphone while creating a snug fit. The protective padding for the phone portion also features cutouts for both the power button and volume rocker to prevent these buttons from accidentally being depressed. This is a feature missing on other mobile gaming clips. Installation is easy. The Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip just wraps around the Xbox controller and then clips into place. A modern cutout design is available for easy charging and syncing, while two joints allow for many viewing angle options. The gaming clip design also allows access to the aux port for audio output. Now, if you have a rechargeable controller like the Cyberpunk version shown here, the mobile gaming clip does cover up the charge contacts. However, you can use a micro USB cable to recharge the controller. Now, although wireless charging with the mobile gaming clip installed is impossible, you can still place this whole kit on the charging stand for display. Docking the phone and the receiver is easy because of the spring-loaded arm assembly, which features smooth operation. Once the phone is docked, we can pair the controller to the smartphone via Bluetooth, and this creates a nice mobile gaming experience. So let's compare some mounts. We have the Moga PowerA for Xbox controller, the Power Support Claw for Stadia controller, and the Orzly mount for Stadia controller as well. All of these come in at about the same price. When it comes to fit and functionality, the Power Support Claw is eliminated because of its limited design. That being said, if I had to select the best gaming clip for an optimized mobile gaming experience, it would be the Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip. Now again, the Moga PowerA mobile gaming clip doesn't feature a ball joint, which means that you can't rotate between portrait and landscape mode, but it does feature an extra joint, which means that you'll get an increased amount of viewing angles. Also, we've got those cutouts on the padded phone receiver portion, which means that the volume and power buttons won't be accidentally depressed. Now, when it comes to choosing between both complete kits here, it's going to be a hard choice. It's really going to depend on your controller preference. Personally, I like the Stadia controller because it has the built-in Google Assistant, it has that screenshot feature. It just works a little bit better with Stadia, which makes sense because it's the Stadia controller. However, the Xbox controller does look a little bit better, a little bit more modern, futuristic, and you can argue that the controls feel a little bit better as well. Coming soon, we'll be talking about the Razer Kishi, which is a next level upgrade. This may be the ultimate mobile gaming solution that rivals the Nintendo Switch. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel and podcast. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support us is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon, check-in out.
You